Realme launched its new smartphone under C series in Thailand called Realme C100 with 5G support. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C100 5G features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. This smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 18 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Realme C100 5G sports a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.47 by 78.23 by 8.88 millimeters, and it weighs around 224 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C100 5G has been priced in Thailand for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 6,999 Thai baht, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,499 Thai baht. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 22nd, sprouting green and blooming purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C100 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.